Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to add a source list in Kali Linux. After your new installation, you have to add source list, but it depends on which version of Kali Linux you're using. I mean, if it's the latest, chances are high that you should not do anything. So we request that check, or if you have time, you should download the newest Kali Linux, so you won't be in that problems of doing anything like that. So what we're gonna do here, we're going to add a source list. So you click on, you can see here on your Firefox, it will show you Kali docs. You click on that Kali docs. After Kali docs, you can come here and type in source list. Yes, it's gonna show Kali Network Repositories source list. You click that, then this is the page. You have to read each and everything here to understand why you should add it or not. So here they tell us to do what? They say on a standard clean install of Kali Linux with network access, you should have the following entry present in etc apt source list. So if you don't have this, then it's gonna be problem. How do you check it? Copy this, the entire line, the first line, copy it, and go to your terminal. Here's my terminal. Then if you not sudo, you should sudo and say enter. You can see what's going on. So I want to compare that and what they are telling us here. You can see with that what they are telling us is what we have here. It says, because I did install a new Kali Linux, I did a new installation, but before, in the previous Kali Linux, after installation you had to do what? To add a source list in your source list file. So now if it's known like this, so they say if the output does not exactly match up to the above output, you may not be able to install any new additional packages or receive updates. This may happen for any number of reasons, such as you did an offline installation, such as missing network connection during installation. You have switched your branch, okay, using a different hard-coded mirror. You will probably want to read the switching branches section to alter this. So also we advise, like, when you installing Kali Linux, you must be connected to a good network. That's why they say to get if you don't have the same results here, simply means you did maybe install Kali Linux without the internet, or the network was bad. So because if you install it, if it's online, chances are high that it's gonna do much of the installations for you and update everything. So check if you don't have this. So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna take this, one of these, read and see what suits you, but I prefer to take the first one. So after you take it, you're gonna go to, let's take and copy this, the first one. You're gonna see how it looks like. We're gonna copy everything and okay, highlight, copy it, and go to your, we're not going to use the terminal this time. You're gonna go to computer, then you go to etc, look for etc, then look for apt, this is the folder, then you look for, you can see source list, sources.list. okay, you say open with your favorite text editor. You can see this is the file, and what do we want to put in? Let me go back here. This is the file where you have to add that. So you see, this is what we copy. What we have to put in is this line. You can see this line, so we have to delete all of this echo stuff. And how we gonna leave it? It should end here, and we delete also this. Then you save. So you're gonna save, but since we have this already, check if you don't have the same thing. If you have this already, so there's no need for you to put this line. So after that line, you're going to save if you don't have this. But if you find the same thing commented under a doubt, then you have to uncomment it. But I'm sure it's there. If it's not there, then you copy and paste that here. So where do you get it? Remember where you got it from here. You can on these 3 of these, you can take one of these, then you copy it. But then after that, you're gonna have to cut this off and chop also the last part, this part off. But now what we're gonna do, what you do, you just copy all of it, you go to where we went, then you paste in there. After the pasting, then you're gonna have to save your file. So after saving your file, it's gonna allow you to update and upgrade to something new. But if you don't have that, simply means you're not going to manage to do that. That's why they even tell you that if you don't have that, you won't be able to upgrade to anything. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if I made any mistakes, correct me please. But that's the tutorial. That's how the way to add your source in the source list. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.